As the Northern Hemisphere prepares for the year's longest night, sky enthusiasts are in for a spectacular celestial display. On the night of December 21-22, coinciding with the winter solstice, the waxing gibbous moon will illuminate the sky beside Jupiter, our solar system's radiant giant. This unique alignment offers a rare opportunity for stargazers to witness the moon and Jupiter shining brightly together, enhancing the magic of the winter evening sky. This astral event is said to infuse a sense of wonder into the chilly night, captivating observers with its celestial beauty. The winter solstice marks the official commencement of winter in the northern hemisphere, occurring when Earth's northern axis tilts away from the sun. This tilt results in shorter days and longer nights for the northern hemisphere. Conversely, the planet's southern axis tilts towards the sun during this time, leading to the southern hemisphere experiencing the day with the most hours of daylight and the shortest night. The impact of Earth's tilt is most pronounced at the poles, with the sun not setting throughout the day at the south pole and not rising at all at the north pole. This year, the winter solstice is slated to take place at 10:28 p.m. EST on December 21, signifying a pivotal astronomical moment in the transition to winter. Jupiter, renowned as a bright planet for its radiant luminosity, is said to illuminate the night sky, outshining neighboring stars. Positioned on the constellation of Aries, this gas giant will form a captivating celestial scene alongside the 82% illuminated waxing gibbous moon. Skywatchers can anticipate this celestial pairing gracing the southeastern horizon high above as the transition from twilight to night unfolds. To enhance the experience, utilizing stargazing binoculars or a small telescope can provide a closer look at the enhancing duet of the Moon and Jupiter. This celestial spectacle will be visible from both the northern and southern hemispheres, offering a widespread and accessible viewing experience for sky enthusiasts across the globe. In the event that clouds or timing obstructs the view on the solstice itself, the following night, December 22, presents another opportunity. During this time, the moon will have shifted to the left of Jupiter, presenting a slightly altered but equally mesmerizing display. It's worth noting that this event coincides with the peak of the Ursid meteor shower. However, the moon's brilliance may diminish the typically modest display of the meteor shower.